Hello America, Mark.Kelson here today, Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon, to present to you this 2019 Winnebago Navion 24J. This is a beautiful coach on the Mercedes chassis. Let's go in and see what it has to offer. So this is very spacious in here. In this room, it's got a huge U-shaped booth, and you also have little extensions right here so that you can extend it out, turn this table this way if you want to, and just have a big party in here with people. Coming over to this side, you got the TV right directly across from it, so you're not hurting your neck trying to find the TV. Beautiful Italian cabinetry right here. Nice counter space in this coach. 2-sink stainless steel sink with a nice Moen faucet. Right here you got the Dometic 2-burner propane stove right here. A lot of nice deep cabinets and drawers in this coach. Nice little backsplash to protect the wall. Coming back here, you do have the Norcold refrigerator and freezer. This coach, here's your power panel up here. So you got your LP, you got your Onan 3200 LP generator right there, room slide in and out. This does have an inverter. It has a solar charger, so you have one solar panel up on top of this coach. Over here you have a microwave, and it's a half-time microwave. And look at that storage cabinet right there. That is huge. Very nice. Little sink back here outside of the bathroom. You have the corner bed that the headrests lift up, and you also have a nice window there to look out. Here's your commode back here, along with a very large shower. Nice skylight, nice vent fan up above. This is just a great coach. You can get this anywhere. Fuel economy is great. Let's look up here in the cockpit. So you have the 2 seats, and these do turn around so that you can utilize these for having guests over. This is on the Mercedes chassis. It is a Sprinter chassis, and it's got an Infotainment Center. It's got everything that you would want in a Mercedes up there. Nice bed over top here. So that comes down, it produces another spot for have guests over or someone like that to sleep. This has an automatic awning up top. You have LED lights. Don't forget this name. It's going to be very popular. It already is. Navion by Winnebago. You have your water heater right here. Nice storage spot under the bed right there. Very solid little coach. There is your 3200 Onan generator right there. Another little storage area. This coach has a lot of style, that's for sure. You have your ladder accessing the top, so you can get to your air conditioner, your seals, whatever you got to do up there for maintenance. Your tow hitch, receptacle, your backup camera. Look at the colors on this, blue, gray, and white, beautifully matched. You do have a Santa flush in this coach, so you can spritz out the black tank when needed. And right there's an outdoor shower, 30 amp cord. You do have some levelers, some stabilizers, not levelers, stabilizers back there, if you can see them under there. But isn't it beautiful? Look at the size of these windows. Gives you a lot of good lighting on the inside. Style. Your gas tank and cap is protected right here. Performance. That's what these coaches are all about. You probably expect to get at least 14 miles to the gallon on this coach, if not more. A lot of people get more. But if this coach is of interest to you, it's of interest to me, that's for sure, or any of the coaches on the campus, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Mark.Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the toll-free number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.